guys, it's Carolyn with Crafting with Wine, and I'm real late coming on to share the cards that I received for Donna and her son Riley for the card drive that I was doing. I had a lot of issues going on during the holiday season in my own family, so I'm back, and I think we got everything taken care of with them for the time being. So I needed to get these done. Or this filmed to show. I'm not for sure exactly when I'm going to get this uploaded, but please bear with me. I didn't forget any of you guys, and I've got a little stack of cards here, and look how precious this one is. Oh my goodness. It's amazing, and Donna is going to love it. It says, "Dear to my heart," and look at the cute deer, and it's just so perfectly detailed, and it's just so beautiful. And this comes from Jan. Thank you, Jan, so much. And then probably should have taken these out of the envelopes. This one just says, "Hello," with a beautiful butterfly. It looks like it's watercolored and shimmered on. And this comes from Sue. And after this, I will be doing a video for the little giveaway that I was doing for this too. So I'll put everybody's name in a little cup and do that. I can't get this one out of the envelope. Okay, there it comes. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a shaker card. How cute is that? It says, "Sending you a big," let's go, hug, a big, okay, hello. Thinking of you. That person's name is Donna too. Okay, sorry, I wasn't expecting that. Let's go with this one. "Thinking of you." It's a beautiful card. This one's from Ashley. "Thinking of you." Look how it's simple, but it's so beautiful. This was from Linda. "Thinking of you." Oh, look at the gorgeous girl. Donna loves gorgeous girls. I know she's got a lot of their stamps, and she's done a lot of ink blending and stuff back there. Made a beautiful scene. That is so pretty. Look at that little sparkly butterfly too. That is so cute. And she's paper pieced her gorgeous doll all together too. And this comes from Bridget. Thank you. We have this one. It says, "Hi." How cute. She's fussy cut. That's really cute. This one comes from Melinda as well. Then we have this one. It says, "With sympathy." It's all foiled. That's pretty, and that pretty flower is all popped up. And this one comes from Ruth. Uh-oh, it looks like the envelope's splitting. Sorry about that. That may have been my fault. And this one says, "Hello, sweet friend." Look at the cute bee and all the honeycombs. And this one comes from Tammy. And then I have this one. Oh, that's gorgeous. Everything is all embossed and all the bling. That's so pretty. And this one comes from Paula. So thank you guys so much for helping Vicki over at Crafty Heaven and I out with this card drive. We super appreciate it, and it will mean the world to Donna and Riley, their son. I really appreciate it. And I think all of these cards are going to come at the perfect timing with the holidays all being over. And they had to do their first holiday without their husband and father. So thanks for participating, guys. I really appreciate it very much, and I know Vicki does too. And I get these in the post to Vicki. I'm doing it a couple of weeks late, but I have talked to her and she understood. So hopefully they get to her in time that she can put them in her package that she's sending to Donna. Thanks, Vicki. We love you, Donna and Riley. Take care. Cheers.